Hi Drastic Kitties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Sylveon from Pokemon, so let's get started. To draw this pretty Pokemon, we're going to first start by drawing her eyes. And I accidentally drew her eyes without realizing the camera was not on. And because I did not want to waste a perfectly good piece of paper, I'm just going to go ahead and continue. So sorry about that. But we just want to start with this eye and just going to come to this point and then go around and bring it right back. So kind of like a widened out teardrop shape. So now that you have this eye, you're going to come right across, say about right here, give yourself another point, and we're going to do the same thing. So we're just going to go up and down right here, pointy, and then the sides are going to be round. Sometimes my brain is not here and I just started and then I realized the camera was not even on. Sorry about that. Okay, so now that we have the eyes in, we're going to come right in here about this area and we're going to draw an oval. And same thing here on this side. So closer to this edge, to the center. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's come right about here and we're going to draw this tiny little nose. Little very small little triangle. And right underneath this nose, let's draw a curve for a smile and just cap it off. There. So once you color these eyes in, it'll look a little bit better. It kind of looks really weird right now because it's empty. From there, let's go ahead and we're going to frame the face. I'm going to come about right here in between the eyes and just give myself a point right in the center. And we're going to go up nice and high over the eye and come right back down, really close. So same thing over here. Go nice and high and then we're going to come right back down to about right there, just like the other side, to about right there. Then from there, we're going to square this face off a little bit, so just come right back down with a curve to about right there, and same thing here. And then we're going to start to come in and bring in the face. And so now that we have that in, let's go ahead, we're going to draw this bow because it overlaps the face. So imagine this is coming through. So if you're using a pencil, just finish this curve. I'm just going to imagine it's coming through about right here and it'll come down a tiny bit more right in the center. Give myself a point and then I'm going to go up right in this space and draw this big bow. So just bring it right back in about right here and same thing on the other side. Nice and high, bring it down and in. And then some details on this bow. It's not two colors, so I'm just going to go ahead and just draw that curve. Almost looks like a frog right now, huh? Okay, so whatever space you have left, just go ahead and finish it off and connect at the bottom right here. Then from there, we're going to, let's continue this up, continue the face up, about right there. And I'm going to stop and just draw this little tuft of fur, I guess you would call it, right here. And then I'm going to go up real high, nice and high for this big ear. So let's say about right here. Then come up another layer, another level I mean, and bring it all the way back down. There. And then just imagine this is coming through, then about right there I'm going to stop and draw a curve. So we're still drawing the head part, the top. And before I finish that, let's come back in this space and we're going to draw the inside of our ear. So just kind of draw this little oval, long oval inside. From there we need to draw another bow, so which is going to be resting about right here. So just imagine this big bow, so say about right here, coming to a curve, so about right here, I'll just start, give myself a point. And I'm just in this space, I'm just going to go up nice and high, come right back in, and same thing, nice and high, and come right down towards the face right here, and connect. So I'll make this a little bit higher now that I'm looking at my camera, and right here, whatever space you have left, go ahead and connect. Then once again, same thing on this bow, just going to draw a curve inside. And now to draw the other ear. Oh, and then just finish whatever space you have left with that curve. And then for the other ear, we're just going to pop it in about right here. Just go up nice and high, just like the other side. But right there, round it off. And then one more level, and then bring it right back in. And then once again, the inside. From there, let's go ahead and work on the body. So we're going to come right underneath this bow, right in the center here and here. And we're going to draw a curve to start the front legs. So we're going to bring this down. Curve a little bit and then bring it down. And then about right here, we're going to draw a curve to start the legs, the front legs. So let's make them really long. So I'm going to bring this in. Let's work on this side first. Just go back and forth and say about right there. I'll stop and then pop out a little curve for the foot. And then we're just going to go ahead and connect it at the bottom. And then just add two little curves right here. So same thing on the other side. Just bring this down and then curve out. Bring this in, just like the other side, and then pop out the foot. There. And then in between, whatever space you have left, just go ahead and draw a curve. And there's some details right here. I'm just going to draw this kind of V shape right here. And then the back. So let's come to about right here. We're just going to draw a curve and we're going to bring it to the bottom right here. Pop it out and come back in. And then right above this front paw, we're just going to draw a curve for the back foot. Right here, it's just this little oval, and then draw two curves inside. So same exact thing over here. And once again, just draw a little curve. And then two curves inside. There. And then now we gotta spruce it up, right? We have all these ribbons we need to draw. So let's start with this one right here that's connected to this bow. And to make it a little bit simpler, we're just going to tuck it behind the body. So right here, we're just going to draw this curve, smooth it out a little bit, and then we're just going to come in a little bit more, and then another curve. And so same thing over here, about right in this area. Just going to change it up a little bit. I'm just following one of the drawings I saw of Sylveon. So right here, we're going to do the same thing, bring it in, and then another curve. There, just definitely come in and fix your curves as you need. So now that we have this ribbon in, we can finally go ahead and just tuck in a tail. So in this area right here, I'm just going to go ahead and come out, round off the tip, bring it in, another level of tail right here, and then just bring it right in. So just like the ears. And let's see, now more ribbons. So this one we're going to make it extra fancy. So let's come back to this bow, and right here, just going to go curve. It's all up to you how you want to curve it. So I'm just going to pop it out about right here. And go out. And then we're going to put in this parting part right here at the end and bring it all the way back to there to create our ribbon. And just imagine it coming through and connect. And then right here, you can just draw a little curve right here. There. And let's see, and then for some details, we can come right here. There's some color right here. I believe there's two. So I'm just going to draw two bands. And then same thing on this side, but we're going to bring this one down just to change it up. So right here. So I don't have to hit anything. I'm just going to come about right here. And in this space. And pop it out. There, however you want to curve your ribbon. And once again. Should bring this in a little bit more. Like I said, you definitely come in and adjust your curves as needed. And let's see, that is pretty much it. Hopefully I haven't missed anything here. But I really hope you love how this turned out and that I helped you draw Sylveon here from Pokemon Fun and Easy. And if I did help you, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.